Become a college cost cutter. Consider the following suggestions to reduce spending and help make college more affordable. Cut unnecessary expenses by reviewing your subscriptions. Whether it's music or video streaming services, if you're not using them regularly, it's time to let them go. Cooking at home is often healthier, not to mention wallet-friendly. When it comes to textbooks, think smart. Rent or buy used and digital versions. If possible, use public transportation, which is free with your BYU ID card, or use a bike instead of owning a car. Not only does this help the environment, but it also saves you money on fuel, insurance, and maintenance. Take advantage of free events on campus, like club activities, and maximize the use of campus resources. From free computer rentals to gym access, these amenities are often included in the cost of tuition, so make the most of them. Always ask about student discounts. Whether it's software, clothing, entertainment, or a local business, many places offer special deals to students. BYU has a rock pass for sporting events and an arts pass for theater and dance productions. BYU also has options to rent bikes and other sporting equipment. Explore thrift stores for affordable clothing, furniture, and more. But be mindful, even though it's cheap, you don't need everything. Use credit cards wisely, if at all. Avoid accumulating high-interest debt, and make sure to pay off your balance in full every month. These are just a few tips to help make college more affordable. With our college funding tool, you can coordinate anticipated expenses with available resources and plan for any projected deficit. Counselors are available to help you evaluate all possible funding options and can help you develop a plan. Our easy-to-use interface lets you visually track your progress, see a potential deficit, adjust your budget, explore financial aid options, and consider options for your unique situation. Take control of your college finances with our college funding tool.